What's happening, Hardscapers? Day 6 on this project. Today we're going to be installing our edge restraint, doing 8 cuts. I think that classifies this as a no-cut patio, maybe not. And we're going to get the fire pit in, run the wiring for the lighting that's going to be around the fire pit, and doing a little bit of miscellaneous stuff here. So let's get into it. One cut, 2 cut, 3 cut, 4 cut, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, our edge restraint is all installed here around our entire patio. And we are getting our base course for our fire pit in. So what we did is we used concrete sand because up here we don't need to be too far down. So the reason why we're doing this is a 1/8 of an inch slope from top of patio to bottom per foot. So this is 12 feet, so that's 1.5 inches different. So at the bottom of this patio is 1.5 inches lower than the top of patio, and we want our fire pit to be level. So we're gonna do what we just did here is we put the concrete sand down and we've leveled each block by block, and so that up here we have just a little bit buried there, and down here there's even less. So there's more exposed block on this bottom course down here compared to up here. And that gets our block, our fire pit, nice and level. And yes, you can build wall structures, wall-like structures like a fire pit or a small retaining wall on Gator base up to 18 inches in height. So we need to make sure that we stay below that with this fire pit. You'll see our wiring runs through and out here to be able to hook up to the transformer. So here what we did is we cut a channel in for our wire underneath this cap, and then a channel going through and then up, and then basically we'll cut a channel all the way around for all 4 lights in this fire pit. Now what we're going to do is anchor in our collar there and on this side for our fire pit to sit in. Also, everything is in now, so we got the lights in this box, the vents that we're going to get to today, and the collar for the fire pit. Fire pit's here. Got more gas hookups there. This box is a miscellaneous box. I don't know what that is. And then we got our pond kit here. So everything's in. We're moving along here. That's the gas wind guard. That's what that is. And then there's the fire pit cover over there. And that is a wrap for day 6. That is the edge restraint in, 8 cuts done, the fire pit set, all set up, ready to go. Other than the lighting, we need to cut in some channels for that lighting wire to run through and for all 4 to connect. And we gotta wait for our gas guy to do the final hookup on the fire pit there. Really excited for that to get wrapped up, and then we can do the poly sand as well on the fire pit and patio and walkways there. And then we can get started on Monday. I've got the bins ordered. We're gonna get started on that pond dig as well as the steps. I've got my brother coming in to help me for that, so that's gonna be nice to not have to do that all by myself. This job is coming along nicely. We're about a half a day, maybe a full day behind, but ultimately happy with where I am at with this. If you like this video, feel free to like this video on YouTube, subscribe to us, and follow along on this vlog, as well as all the other content that we got coming out on this channel. Lots of different things, supplementing our articles on howtohardscape.com, our How to Hardscape podcast, as well as anywhere you can find us on socials, How to Hardscape. Thanks for watching.